Hello everyone, I'm Emmy. Today, let's dive into an intriguing topic. Why Japanese people excel at understanding others' emotions. We'll explore the detailed reasons behind this phenomenon. 1. Emphasis on non-verbal communication. In Japanese culture, communication goes beyond words. Factors like facial expressions, eye movements, body language, and tone of voice are highly valued. This emphasis on non-verbal cues cultivates the ability to interpret emotions and intentions beyond verbal expressions. 2. Significance of empathy. Japanese culture esteems the practice of putting oneself in another's shoes. Understanding and empathizing with others' situations and emotions is a crucial element in building human connections. This nurtures the skill of reading others' emotions. 3. Culture of sensing the atmosphere. The term, reading the air, refers to the ability to keenly perceive the atmosphere and others' emotions, and respond appropriately. In Japanese society, nonverbal communication is highly regarded, necessitating a heightened ability to read others' feelings in various situations. 4. Gentle communication style. The Japanese communication style is generally gentle and non-confrontational, encouraging the respect of others' feelings and approaching interactions with care. Not to cause harm is promoted. This approach makes it easier to understand others' emotions. 5. Collectivist culture. Japanese culture places a strong emphasis on group cohesion, valuing harmony within the group, understanding others' feelings and states of mind. Enables smooth communication within a collective. The attitude of respecting others' opinions and emotions contributes to maintaining harmony within the group. These factors collectively influence and enhance the Japanese ability to sensitively read others' emotions. However, it's important to remember that individual differences exist. So, how did you find this? If you found this video helpful, please consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing to the channel. We'll continue to bring you interesting topics, so be sure to hit that subscribe button. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you very much.